Welcome to this health affirmation session designed to guide you into a state of healing, vitality, and balance. These affirmations will help you align your mind, body, and spirit with the frequency of health and wellness. As you listen, relax, and breathe deeply, let each word resonate within you, cultivating positive energy that restores and empowers every cell of your being. Let's begin. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Allow your body to release tension, stress, and any negative thoughts. You are safe, you are supported, and you are healing. I am deeply grateful for my body and its ability to heal. My body knows exactly what it needs to be healthy, and I trust its wisdom. Every day, in every way, my health is improving. My immune system is strong and resilient, protecting me always. I nourish my body with wholesome foods that fuel my vitality. Every cell in my body is vibrant and full of life. I move my body with joy and grace, and it thanks me with strength and flexibility. My body is a sacred vessel, and I treat it with love and care. I release all toxins and negative energy from my body, allowing only health and wellness to flow through me. I wake up each day feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to embrace life. I am worthy of health, happiness, and vitality. I am healing, I am whole, I am well. I listen to my body's signals and respond with compassion and care. My body is balanced, aligned, and in perfect harmony. My muscles are strong, my bones are healthy, and my joints are flexible. I am filled with energy, and every cell in my body radiates health and vitality. I release all fear and anxiety about my health. I trust my body to heal. I feel lighter, brighter, and more vibrant with each passing day. I am grateful for my body and all the ways it supports me. I love and appreciate every part of my body, exactly as it is. Wellness is my natural state, and I return to it with ease. I deserve to feel good in my body, and I make choices that support my well-being. I am at peace with my past, present, and future. My mind is clear, focused, and calm. I am in control of my thoughts, and I choose those that serve my highest good. I release all negative thoughts and replace them with positivity and hope. I trust in my ability to overcome any challenges that come my way. My mind is powerful, and I use it to create the life I desire. I am resilient, and I bounce back from setbacks stronger than before. I am filled with mental clarity and focus. I give myself permission to rest, recharge, and renew my mental energy. Every day, my mind becomes stronger, sharper, and more peaceful. I let go of stress, worry, and anxiety. They do not define me. I am deserving of mental peace and emotional balance. I focus on what I can control, and I let go of what I cannot. I find joy and ease in the present moment. I release the need to overthink. My mind is calm and serene. I trust the process of life, knowing that everything is unfolding for my highest good. I am capable, competent, and confident in everything I do. I forgive myself for past mistakes and embrace growth and learning. I am free from the weight of others' expectations. I choose my path with clarity and courage. I fill my mind with positive, nurturing thoughts that uplift and inspire me. I honor my emotions and allow myself to feel them fully. I am in touch with my emotions, and I trust my ability to process them in healthy ways. I am worthy of love, compassion, and understanding. I release all anger, fear, and resentment, making space for love, joy, and peace. I am kind to myself. I speak words of love and encouragement to my heart. I trust that every emotion I experience has a purpose and brings me closer to healing. I am safe to express my feelings and needs. I let go of past hurts and open my heart to forgiveness. both for myself and others. I am deserving of happiness, and I welcome it into my life. I am patient and gentle with myself as I heal emotionally. I allow joy and gratitude to fill my heart. I am emotionally resilient, and I grow stronger through every challenge. I trust in my ability to navigate through difficult emotions with grace and compassion. I choose to let go of what no longer serves me, creating space for peace and love. I am grateful for the emotional experiences that shape me into the person I am becoming. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I give myself permission to feel and express my emotions freely and without judgment. I am surrounded by people who love, support, and uplift me. I release the past and embrace the present with an open heart. I attract joy, happiness, and love into my life. I am grateful for my health, my body, my mind, and my spirit. I trust in the natural healing power within me, which guides me toward balance and well-being. I am grateful for every breath I take and every step I make. Each day is an opportunity to live a healthy, vibrant, and fulfilling life. I am aligned with the energy of health and wellness. I send love and gratitude to every part of my body. I release all resistance to healing and allow wellness to flow through me effortlessly. I am thankful for my strong body, my clear mind, and my resilient spirit. Gratitude fills my heart, bringing me peace, joy, and vitality. I welcome health, happiness, and balance into every area of my life. I am connected to the universal energy of healing and well-being. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer, including perfect health. I am grateful for the endless possibilities of healing and growth. I trust that my body, mind, and soul are working in perfect harmony for my highest good. I honor and respect the balance of my physical, mental, and emotional health. With each breath, I draw in healing energy and exhale all that no longer serves me. I choose health, I choose happiness, I choose healing. I am whole, I am healthy, I am complete. As we close this session, take a moment to rest in the energy of these affirmations. Breathe in deeply, knowing that you are healing, growing, and transforming into your best self. You are deserving of health, happiness, and peace. Carry these affirmations with you throughout your day, allowing them to uplift and empower you. Thank you for joining me on this journey of health and wellness. Remember, you are healthy, you are whole, and you are loved. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future content. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, I'd love to hear them. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.